May stitch to your lips, so you see I won't bow to the will of a mortal feeble.
Whoa, that's too much. That's literally too much. What is up to y'all? Welcome and welcome back. We are your Jamaican friends, and first thing first, we want to give thanks for everything. We want to give God thanks for life. We want to give God thanks for everything that is possible. This time when you're watching this video,
Amen.
it is the second day in December, and we should give thanks for that. So we're going to react to REN. Now with all of our reaction that was done based on REN has been doing great, exceptionally well by you guys. You guys do like my girlfriend's reaction towards it. So I'm introducing her to this song, REN. Right? So I hope she do enjoy this one because she do like the Jamaican REN style. But we're gonna give
He's
her right now.
Jamaican for me.
She's still wondering if he's Jamaican, guys.
I'm still wondering, am I Jamaican for me? That is it.
Well, in this one though, it's a bit different, but you will like it because it has a great storyline. So, without further ado, okay, guys, her name is
Trina. You can
Trina.
call me Trina.
Alright, guys, so let's dive into what Trina has to say in this one. Peace. Yeah, welcome back to the King of Musical Instruments.
Exactly.
Welcome, welcome. Me like, oh man, alright. So for instance, Ren is this type of artist who always seems to give us a great impression of what a guitar should play like, right? Because he knows when to change the tempo, he knows when to give us a low tone, he knows when to give us the type of music that will match with the upcoming music that he'll sing or that he'll perform. And Ren always seems to give us something excellent and exquisite when that moment should arrive.
Is this in a different language?
No, it's in English.
English?
Yeah.
No, this is giving a different vibe. You know, a different one.
You love it though.
Just
you
the
love
way
it.
him start singing.
You love it though.
Him no, but that's sound like
Guys, she love the Jamaican man, to be honest. She really love
but
it.
that's sound like Jamaican. No, him I want different one this now.
Okay. I love the impression so far, so let's continue.
Hi there, Ran. It's been a little while. Did you miss me? You thought you buried me, didn't you? Risky. Cause I always come back. Deep down, you know that. Deep down, you know my always in periphery. Ran, are you pleased to see me? It's been weeks since we spoke, bro. I know you need me. You're the sheep, I'm the shepherd. Not your place to lead me. Not your place to be biting off the hand that feeds me.
Hi.
You know what?
Okay, so this is a very great storyline. I mean, like, the way he started, the way he's rapping.
This is very, very, very impressive for me. Like,
do you understand what he's saying here?
Oh no, yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
because he's giving us a rapping beat.
Mm-hmm. But you still can understand. Always fast, but you still can understand what he's actually saying. But this is very impressive, though. Still, my Jamaican still, you understand me? That now come.
Guys, she love the way he does the Jamaican diaspora music, so it's quite a remarkable
That one
job.
stick with me.
Yeah.
Nah, leave.
Yeah. So let's continue, guys.
I ran. I've been taking some time to be distant. I've been taking some time to be still. I've been taking some time to be by myself since my therapist told me I'm ill. And I've been making some progress lately. And I've learned some new coping skills. So I haven't really needed you much, man. I think we need to just step back and chill.
Yeah, to have someone who is really looking away from you, it's quite different, you know, because Ren is an artist that I really do understand his life. I really do understand what he's going through. Right? So with all this being said, it's just different in a very unique way because
Exactly, yeah. I agree.
music, yeah, this music that he's doing right now, he's talking about himself and what he's been going through, right? What people has done to him. So that is the reason why he's been paranoid now, right?
But basically, I mean, like every song that they actually sing is based off what they have been through before, so it all related in a song,
Yeah,
so
that's
people
true.
can like relate
Oh,
to
it's,
it. Yes,
it's very relatable.
exactly.
Very relatable. Okay, guys, let's continue.
Ren, you sound more insane than I do. You think that those doctors are really there to guide you? Been through this a million times. Your civilian mind is so perfect to always being lied to. Okay, take another pill, boy. Drown yourself in the sound of white noise. Follow this 10-step program, rejoice. All your problems will be gone. Fucking dumb boy. Nah, mate. This time is different, man. Trust me. I feel like things might be falling in place.
He's multi-talented.
Very multi-talented. A masterpiece of work.
He's
Yeah.
showing that he can do it. Reggae, Jamaican rap song, the rap, the guitar, everything in a one. I'm sure that yeah, I got it. I can do it.
Musically
Jamaican,
talented.
yes.
Musically talented.
Exactly.
Right. I've seen Ren like in multiple videos, in multiple songs, but Ren give us different type of songs, different type of beats, different type of instrumental.
Just the sound.
Yeah, the sounds are really impressive for me, right? And also he always have some great stories to tell. I mean, like it is vividly true. I mean, like what he's saying, other people can relate, right? So we have to give Ren the props that he should get, like every time, right?
You
So
deserve it. I like it thus far. Really do.
hi Ren, this is dope, my G. This is really
Big
dope.
up to my Jamaican friend. No, I get that what I mean.
He's not Jamaican.
I
He's
know.
from UK.
I know he's not Jamaican, but in my head, he's Jamaican.
Hey bro, you should come to Jamaica someday because my girlfriend is here like saying you're Jamaican. So you should come to Jamaica someday to give us your side, right? Because we do like the way you give us and deliver our Jamaicans music. Yeah, they're all on point.
Yeah, on point, man. Never miss a beat.
You sung it and it seems as if you are Jamaican, like Jamaican is in your blood, bro. And this is impressive, bro. If you are getting the female's heart, that means you are winning completely. Totally. Let's continue.
And my music's been kinda doing bits too. Like I actually might do something great. And when I'm gone, maybe I'll be remembered for doing something special with myself. That's why I don't think that we should talk, man. Cause when you're with me, it never seems to help. You think that you can amputate me, I am you, you are me, you are I am we are one, split in two, that makes one, so you see. You gotta kill you if you wanna kill me. I'm not leftover dinner, I'm not scraps on the side. Oh, your music is thriving, delusional guy, where's your...
Wow.
Damn. Damn. Bro is dope. Bro is just so truthful to himself.
There's no more word to describe him right now.
Sometimes we have no words to describe him because what he's singing is quite vividly and there's no descriptive explanation for Ren to give right now. Right? Because I can see everything that he's singing in this moment. I mean, like, we've been through it before. Other people is going through it right now.
Exactly.
Right? So it's very relatable. And we have to give him the crown for that. right? Because he deserves this. He's a one of a kind guy who I never really know that will exist because a genre of music, he has a huge catalog, different genre of music, and this music is the one that stands out differently from him, right? By all of his songs that I've been reacting to, all of his songs that I've listened to, this one stands out the best. Trust me. And I always seem to say, hey, bro, great, man, you're doing excellently. Keep up the good work. Let's continue.
Top 10 hit. Where's your interview with Oprah? Wow, your Grammys, Ren? Nowhere. Yeah, but my music's not commercial like that. I never chase numbers, statistics, or stats. I never write hooks for the radio, they never even play me, so why would I concern myself with that? But my music is really connecting, and the people who find it respect it. And for me, that's enough, cause this life's been tough, so it gives me a purpose I can rest in.
Exactly.
True words.
Exactly.
Words.
Exactly.
True words.
Wow.
He has spoken.
Very true. One thing though, right? People always seems to pressure others when they seem as if they're doing excellently well. Because when he's doing well, right? So people will ask him these questions. But nevertheless, he's standing out from everyone. That's why people will ask him these questions. Because just like in Jamaica here, if an artist in Jamaica is doing well, people will criticize, people will hate, people will give their negative side towards the artist to bring down the artist. But once the artist have something in common that he really needs to go for, he will strive. And Ren is striving right now. That's why so much people asking him these questions because they want to know if he will pass or he will fail.
But he surely passed.
And he surely passed.
He surely passed.
He put his haters down to shame. And this is what we need to implement on ourselves as well, because we have a lot of criticism out there. People will hate because they hate what we're doing. When you're reaching on a level, they're stuck one place. So it's hard for them to reach up at that level. And while we're elevating, they are trying to pull us down with the level that they had. And we are also winning, because if we're never winning, they wouldn't be trying to take us back to square one where they're at right now. So Ren is giving us a positive music, and we should embrace this song because this song will be a legendary song.
Take some note out of it as what he's saying.
Facts. Let's continue.
Man, you sound so pretentious. Ren, your music is so self-centered. No one wants to hear another song about how much you hate yourself. Trust me. You should be so lucky, having me inside you to guide you, remind you to manage expectations, provide you perspective. That thing you neglected, I get it. You wanna be a big deal, next Jimi Hendrix, forget it. Man, it's not like that. Man, it's just like that. I'm inside you, you twat. No, it's not, man, you're wrong. When I write, I belong. Let me break the fourth wall by acknowledging this song. Ren sits down, has a stroke of genius. He wants to write a song that was not done previous. A battle with his subconscious, Eminem did it. Play.
Whoa.
Wow.
Very
Whoa.
powerful.
Wow.
Man.
Impressive skills. Impressive though. Very powerful. Very, very powerful.
All of this that he's singing is like what he have been through. No, them just tear him down. Like, but at the end of the day, he might build up back himself. He might make that get him down to a point. Understand me? You always have to overcome the bad things and the negative that they have to say. You got to push positive and that to pull through. You have to be strong too, because it's not everybody can manage that kind of peer pressure.
True.
You have to know how to deal with it.
True.
Exactly.
And peer
Because it
pressure
can
is
literally put you down, like literally to the ground. And that's where they want to see you doing. But you have to tell yourself, this is me, this is what I want to do. I have to believe in myself.
facts.
That's
Self-belief is the best belief. We have to believe in ourselves and trust the process.
exactly.
Think it and you'll achieve it. Let's continue.
On guitar, Plan B did it. Man, you're not original, you criminal rip-off artist. The pinnacle of your success is stealing other people's material. Ren, mate, we've heard it all before. She sells seashells on the seashore. Fuck you, I don't need you, I don't need to hear this. Cause I'm fine by myself, I'm a genius. And I will be great, and I will make waves. And I'll shake up the whole world beneath us. That's right, speak your truth, your fucking god complex leaks out of you. It's refreshing to actually hear you say it instead of downplay it.
No.
Whoa, I mean, like, it's very hard to compare someone who is in the game for a longer time with somebody who's upcoming, because people will see the potential in you and want to make you a comparison to someone who is already there. And making comparison with other people, you are in your own league, right? So why would somebody even though you're doing well, so they will make a comparison.
That's a lot that he has to take in though. That's a lot.
That's really a lot for real. For a guy who's just starting this, well, it seems as if he's in the game for years and he's just looking through all this, put it into music, and so we could understand what he's been going through his musical journey. This journey is a very rough journey for him. I can see
And then he put it in a song to let people know
what he's been going through. People are to listen to a song than
that's
to hear a
people,
story.
like what they have been through, relate through song, them write it in a song to express themselves. You understand me? Probably they can it that way, but to express it in music. Here comes more to life.
Self-express is one of the best expresses you can get, because when you express yourself more, people will see what you're going through in music. And Ren is doing
I know people can
exquisite
relate
job.
to it. No, a lot of people can relate to this.
Even I, both of us can. It may not be music, but it certainly can be something else.
Exactly.
Whoa. Whoa. Who is this guy? Who is this guy?
We're trying to find out.
Let's continue.
Music is all about the creative process, and if people can find something to relate to within that, then that's just a bonus. Fuck you, I'ma fucking kill you, Ren. I'ma fucking kill me, then let's fucking have you, Ren. I'ma do it, watch me prove it. Who are you to doubt my music? Cause I call the shots, I choose if you die. Yeah, I call the shots and so I choose who survives. I'll tie you up in knots when I lock you inside. Newsflash, I was created at the dawn of creation. I am temptation. I am the snake in Eden. I am the reason for treason. Beheading all kings, I am sin, with no rhyme or reason. Son of the morning, Lucifer, Antichrist, father of lies. Mustopheles, truth in the blender, deceitful pretender, the banished avenger, the righteous surrender when standing in front of my solar eclipse. My name is stitched to your lips, so you see, I won't bow to the will of a mortal.
Whoa, that's too much. That's literally too much. Oh well. Oh well. Wow. 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 What do you think? Yeah, she's speechless. She's speechless. You know what? Let's continue, because
okay.
this is gonna be so long. Let's continue.
For the normal, you wanna kill me? I'm eternal immortal. I live in every decision that catalyzes chaos, that causes division. I live inside death, the beginning of ends. I am you, you are me, I am you, friend. Hi, Ren. I've been taking some time to be distant. I've been taking some time to be still. I've been taking some time to be by myself, and I've spent half my life ill.
You
Damn.
the fact that it's only just guitar playing and he's rapping to it and know everything to do. Just guitar.
Only guitar.
He knows to hit every note. Every tune, oh my god.
Damn.
Just a guitar. I know it's every tone that he should be in.
And his life is so sad. His life is really sad. There are so much people out there who's going through this. This is why this song
And
is even
start to
wrapping
think
up.
those kind of way. Like
Yeah.
the mindset.
The mindset has a lot to do with everything. To be honest. Wow.
But just as sure as the tide starts turning, just as sure as the night has dawned, just as sure as the rain falls soon runs dry when you stand in an eye of a storm, I was made to be tested and twisted. I was made to be broken and beat. I was made by his hand, it's a part of his plan that I stand on my own 2 feet. And you know me, my will is eternal. And you know me, you've met me before. Face to face with a beast, I will rise from the east and I'll settle on the ocean floor. And I go by many names also. Some people know me as hope. Some people know me as the voice that you hear when you loosen the noose on the rope.
Fucking hell, dog.
Mindset same way.
Yeah, it's the same mindset.
It's like it turned the headspace is like no more.
Just imagine what's going through this guy's mind.
No, it's because of all of that he has been through. So the mindset of everything now started to like go dark. At that point, to like literally dark.
Dark, yeah.
Start to think
He's suffering from PTSD. He just want to stay by himself.
the bad overcome all of the good. There's no good left there. That's basically what I'm getting.
Wow.
And you know how I know that I'll prosper? Cause I stand here beside you today. I have stood in the flames that cremated my brain, and I didn't once flinch or shake. So clever at the man I've become, when I sing from the top of my lungs, that I won't retire, I'll stand in your fire, inspired by me to be strong. And when I am gone I will rise, in the music that I left behind. Ferocious, persistent, immortal like you, we're a climate to different sides.
Oh God, REN. Oh my
Oh
God.
God. Oh God, guys.
You see people, but you never know what they are going through. Never know. You see a smile on their face every day and feel like everything is okay, and it's not. They're going through it. Best believe.
Wow.
And
This is a touching story. A really touching story. That's why we should not criticize people or try to bring down people, because we may not know what people is going through.
But at the end of the day, you're going to have that unless you're strong enough to empower that try to overcome it. Like, it is the most strongest thing. Judge this. It's the most strongest thing.
It's hard to handle. Trust me, you have to be
You
very
have to
strong
be very
handle
strong,
this.
but sometimes it will lick you down to the core.
True.
But you have to try and get up back. You have to believe in yourself and know what you want at the end of the day. Because what for you is always going to be for you. Can nobody take that away from you. Because it's already yours. Nobody
So
can
true.
take it away. But they just choose to just like say bad stuff about you.
Because what is for Caesar, give to Caesar. Once that door is yours, no one can open it
Or lock it.
or close it. Let's continue. Exquisite, exquisite, exquisite. A wonderful story. A wonderful story. Let's continue.
You finish? You finish?
No, he's not.
When I was 17 years old, I shouted out into an empty room, into a blank canvas, that I would defeat the forces of evil. And for the next 10 years of my life, I suffered the consequences, with autoimmunity, illness, and psychosis. As I got older, I realised there were no real winners and there were no real losers in psychological warfare. But there were victims, and there were students. It wasn't David versus Goliath. It was a pendulum, eternally swaying from the dark to the light. And the more intensely that the light shone, the darker the shadow it cast. It was never really a battle for me to win. It was an eternal dance.
You see, this is what Ren has been going through.
It is powerful, man. This story is powerful.
He's a strong guy. Very strong guy.
For sure, oh, it take over his mind, man, like what he have been through, like. Oh.
Wow.
Like a dance, the more rigid I became, the harder it got. The more I cursed my clumsy footsteps, the more I struggled. So I got older, and I learned to relax, and I learned to soften, and that dance got easier. It is this eternal dance that separates human beings from angels, from demons, from gods. So I got older, and I learned to relax, and I learned to soften, and that dance got easier. It is this eternal dance that separates human beings from angels, from demons, from gods. And I must not forget, we must not forget, that we are human beings.
Wow. Damn. Guys, this is the reason why I have to introduce my girlfriend to Ren, because he's this powerful when it comes on to writing his songs, and they are very meaningful when it comes on to writing his music. Very relatable, right? The story and everything is just perfectly written, right? It's not all about the heart of tune or the many instruments that should be in a song. It's all about listening the words of the song and understand what he's saying clearly, because he's speaking some things that a lot of people know is going through. Oh man, guys, thank you also for watching. I guess we have to check out some more Ren with my girlfriend here, because you guys do like a reaction. So we'll see you next time around. Peace.